today what we're going to focus on are questions I get asked most often. So today's question is hitting high notes or singing the notes that you want to sing. Now this is a biggie because you need an instrument that is in excellent vocal health. You need a plan to monitor your effort levels so that you are producing sound at the source in the most efficient way possible. And then you need some tools. What we do is we often just work too hard at the source of the sound and don't utilize our filter. So once the air comes up and vibrates your vocal folds, so your air is the power, vocal folds are the source of the sound, sound waves then come up into your the area above your vocal folds, your throat, your mouth, and your nasal passages, and that's your vocal tract. So you've got this space to use to essentially be your own internal mixing desk. So utilizing filtering really helps to make singing high notes easier. There are some voice quality tricks and tips that you can roll in, like a slightly nasalized sound for brightening, letting your larynx lower a little bit for a more warmer sound. And none of these are pitch exclusive, but you need to be able to play with your filter. That is probably the secret weapon for hitting high notes, is to make sure everything's aligned from a vocal health perspective, most comfortable effort at the source of the sound, and then utilizing your filter appropriately based on the voice qualities that you want to utilize to help tell the stories that you are telling. And you can work with a vocal coach to help you figure out how to combine all of these exercises, and that is the key for being able to sing any note actually that you want to sing, high, low, mid, and it gives you those options, which is what we want as singers. Singers as storytellers, we want as many options as we can get to be able to tell the stories that we are singing about. So if you need any help, pop a question below in the comments about anything that I've chatted through today, or anything that you might like to know more about that I haven't covered. And if you want some extra help, there are tons of links to all my resources in the comments. Plus, you can reach out to me by going to bignotesgetvotes.com, and on the homepage, you can book in for a chat with me. There's my calendar right there, and what we do is we have a quick chat about how I can help you and what the vocal development plan for you might need to look like, and then we can go from there. So I have online coaching, I have in-person coaching, and in February, I am launching an online course. So you can also sign up for the wait list for that using the link below, and you'll be the first to know when it opens, so I can show you everything I know in depth. I hope you found today helpful. Go back and watch the last 2 weeks weekly live workshops where I answer the question to keeping consistent and making sure that you don't oversing. And make sure you comment below, and if you're checking this out on the YouTubes, make sure you subscribe so that you are the first to know about anything that's coming up. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day.